Hi, this video is going to show you how to grade self-grading forms that have some manually graded questions. So for instance, if you have a test that's mostly multiple choice in a form, but then you have a short answer or an extended response, this is going to cover how to grade that using Google Classroom. The first thing you do is click on the class and then come up here to the top and go to classwork. Once you're in classwork, you can click on the name of the assignment, and at the very bottom of the assignment you can then click on view assignment. So notice that I have 3 students who've turned it in and 1 student who has not completed the test yet. Because I know that I had a short answer that hasn't been graded, I'm not going to come over here and click import grades yet. The first thing I'm going to do is click on the form itself. And then once I'm in the form, I'm going to click this pencil. Notice that I put locked mode on, which meant that when my students accessed the test, it closed down the rest of their Chromebook. So all they could do was view the test and respond. But since I'm the teacher, I can click edit this form. And that will allow me to come in and look at my responses. So the first thing it's going to give me is a summary, and it's going to tell me which questions the students missed the most. Since I want to be going through and grading the short answer question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the question part, and I'm going to scroll over here to the question that I know is short answer, which is number 5. And now from here, it's going to give me all the students' answers for that question, and it will tell me that it's ungraded. It will give me an option to add feedback, and I can mark it as incorrect or correct and give the amount of points. So I'm just going to mark all of these students correct. Now notice I can mark it correct and then give partial credit for a student. Once you've gone through and added those grades for all the students, you can click save. And now the grades for that question will be in your classroom. And the first thing I'm going to do that is I'm going to reload my classroom page to make sure that it's getting the most up-to-date information. And then I'm going to click import grades. Notice that now all of my students who have completed the test have grades over here. And the 1 student who hasn't completed the test does not have a grade. Now, if I want to, I can click all of the students who have grades, and I can return their scores to them. And that means that now, if I want to, I can download the grades as a CSV, which will just be in a Google Sheet. And with a few edits, that CSV can be uploaded into PowerSchool, which is much easier than inputting all the grades by hand separately. And if you want to know how to do that, there is another video in North Haven School Tech Help in the shared drive, and that will show you how to do that.